Okay, before we start, I have a confession to make. If you listen to our last week's episode, which is Am I Too Late? I made a promise. And that is, I told you that this week we are finally going to unveil the gold side. My journey into discovering P-pop, its history, the fanboy life that I have, and the creative explosion. But here is the reality. As I sat down to write that story, I realized that it's not ready. Why? Because there are questions that are still left unanswered. There is history that I need to deep dive into. And honestly, I respect that story too much to give you a broken version of it. I value accuracy and I value depth. So, I made an executive decision. We are pressing pause on the gold side until after Holy Week. We're going to let it bake so that when we serve it, it's perfect. Plus, look at the calendar. What date is today? It's 4th of February, right? Or 3rd of February if you're listening on our Facebook and YouTube, right? Indeed, the month of February just swerved in. The month of hearts is here. And right on its heels, after Valentine's Day, 4 days after, on February 18th, we enter the Lenten season. So instead of forcing a timeline that doesn't fit, let's resonate with the season we are actually in. Let's talk about love. Hi, I'm John Michael, and welcome to the fifth episode of Resonate with John Michael, titled Harmony in Love and Why We Paused the Gold, Balancing Differences and the Pivot in Love. Because today, we are talking about harmony. Why you don't need a clone? You need a complement. Okay, so since we have this short window before Ash Wednesday, I want to talk about the physics of relationships. So, first of all, there is a big misconception in dating. Let me repeat it again. There's a big misconception in dating. And also, there is also a big misconception even in friendship. That compatibility means sameness. We think, oh, he likes the same movies, or oh, she has the same energy level. We are perfect. But in music theory, if two people sing the exact same note at the exact same time, that is called unison. It's safe. It's clean. But frankly, it can get boring. Real magic happens in harmony. Harmony is when two different notes are played together to create a chord. The notes aren't fighting, They are stacking like stacks of blocks. One provides the melody while the other provides the depth. So if you're looking for love right now, or if you're trying to understand your current relationship, stop asking, are we the same? And start asking, do we harmonize? Okay, I think about this with my own teal and gold dynamic, just as we have learned in our third episode, which is the ripple effect. If I date someone who is exactly like my teal side, super organized, serious, admin mode all the time, we would be very efficient. But we might forget to have fun. Or should I say fun? But if I date someone who is pure gold, chaotic, spontaneous, emotional, we might have a blast, but the house would burn down. Harmony is about the friction between differences. It's the introvert who teaches the extrovert how to listen. It's the dreamer who teaches the realist how to hope. Honestly, my relationship status is currently single. But this is what I observe. The strongest couples aren't the ones who are clones of each other. They are the ones who cover each other's blind spots. And remember, we are heading toward Lent soon, which will start on Ash Wednesday on February 18th, a time of reflection. Love isn't just about the loud moments. It's also about that quiet balance. Before I let you go, I want you to remind that this conversation about love doesn't stop here. If you are feeling the need to dig deeper into your own heart this season, I am currently running a Retreat to Love Masterclass series. We started this back on January 24th, and we are going all the way until February 14th, Valentine's Day. It's a daily series, a 22-day series, where we break down what love actually means beyond the chocolates and the flowers. And if you missed the start, don't worry. You can catch the entire series in video format right now. Go to my personal profile, which is facebook.com/JMEYEN, or shall I say facebook.com/JMEYNGEL 2024, or check out our Pinoy Pulse Academy on Facebook and on Instagram. And of course, you can also watch the video version of this podcast on Spotify. But if you prefer audio, we are also everywhere. Whether on Apple Podcasts, Amazon Music, Castbox, Pocket Casts, or maybe I'm happy to say and to announce that we are also now officially on iHeartRadio, which we applied last week. You can also catch the replays on my YouTube channel, Bebe Jimmy, via the shorts section. So whether you are teal, gold, or somewhere in between, go find your harmony. And I'll see you next week for the final part of our Vlogging Times special before we enter the silence. I'm John Michael, and this has been the 5th episode of the Resonate with John Michael titled Harmony in Love and Why We Pause to Go. Balancing Differences and the Pivot to Love. Bye for now.